As I pondered what to share with you today, I thought of our first Filipino saint, who I know is very close to your hearts, San Lorenzo Ruiz. San Lorenzo Ruiz, life and martyrdom embodied the value and mission of the Knights of Columbus. Like the courageous knights who defend their faith, San Lorenzo Ruiz fearlessly stood by his beliefs, even in the face of persecution. His unwavering faith and dedication to the Catholic Church serve as an inspiration to all of us, especially to the members of the Knights of Columbus, who strive to live their faith boldly in every aspect of their lives. Allow me to share a chapter of our family's history that is intertwined with the remarkable journey towards the sainthood of San Lorenzo Ruiz, a journey that was deeply significant to my father, Ambassador Antonio Cabangon Chua. In 1980, Pope John Paul II ratified Lorenzo Ruiz in Manila. My father, knowing his close friend, Celso Carunungan, was deeply involved in organizing the event. My dad had longed to attend, but hesitated to ask. When Tito Celso learned of this, he kindly secured tickets for my parents, and they attended together. My dad regarded the Beatification Day as the first true spiritual experience of his life, one of the greatest events he had ever attended. Dad promised Colonel Sin that he would actively involve in promoting Beato Lorenzo Ruiz, a commitment he fulfilled. My father was tasked by Colonel Sin with promoting its goals, including spreading knowledge and devotion to Beato Lorenzo Ruiz for his canonization. Realizing then that there was no image of Beato Lorenzo, my father commissioned a statue, believing a Filipino hero deserved a tribute by a Filipino artist. My dad talked to Kaido and requested him to create a pilot model of the Blessed Lorenzo Ruiz. Within 2 weeks, Kaido delivered a scale model of the statue based on a drawing of Beato Lorenzo that was circulating as estampitas. My father was immediately taken with the model and awarded Kaido the commission. The bronze statue stood 23 feet high on a 7-foot pedestal that was unveiled and blessed by Colonel Sin on September 26, 1981 at Eternal Gardens by Sa, Caloocan City. My father actively promoted the adoration of the first Filipino saint by commissioning smaller versions of this statue for donation to churches, offices, and friends. Colonel Sin received 100 statues of Blessed Lorenzo Ruiz. One of these statues found its permanent home at St. Patrick's Cathedral in New York, where it was enshrined on October 25, 2023, marking another significant moment for Filipino Catholics. My dear friends, I believe that God has orchestrated this moment for me to share this story with you. Not to brag, not to boast, but to inspire of how each of us came in our own way to spreading His teachings and supporting the church. Whether through small gestures or significant actions, we can all play a part. Let's embrace the mission of the Knights of Columbus to empower Catholic men to boldly live out their faith in every aspect of their lives. At home, in their parish, at work, and in their community. The mission resonates with the commitment of San Lorenzo Ruiz, who remains steadfast in his faith despite facing immense challenges. To everyone present, let us strive to live our lives that honor God, dedicating ourselves to causes that bring Him joy. Our faith calls us to serve others with love and compassion, making a positive impact wherever we go.